Okay, friends, I took a major risk on this box. Okay, friends, this is not the normal type of box that I buy for my reselling business to resell on eBay, Poshmark, or to Thredup. But Jomar Wholesale, you know I love Jomar Wholesale, they were having a 50% off day. 50% off all the boxes. By the time I got over there, they did not have a lot left, so I bought a few plus size boxes, and then I bought this box. This is the cocktail dresses and outfits, women's secondhand wholesale, 10 items. It was so cheap though, you guys. It's normally $55, which is cheap anyway. I got it for $27. And then because I bought so many boxes, my total shipping was only $30. So, I don't think I can go wrong with 10 items of clothing for $37. Always shop on Jomar Wholesale with a discount link. They run all sorts of sales. You can put in my code, The Grateful Queen, all one word. I earn credit when you do that, so thank you so much, and you get a discount, so it's sort of a win-win. My thinking on this box was Thredup. So I've been sending things into Thredup for the last 6 months, and cocktail dresses or like formal dresses and pieces have sold really well for me over there. It's one of the things I get the biggest payout on. So I've been making pretty decent money on cocktail dresses. Now, do I know a lot about formal wear, brands and styles? No. No, I do not.
That would be no.
However, we can learn together. If you know anything about these brands or styles, be sure to put it in the comments, and I will pop up comps on the screen somewhere if I learn something about what these items will sell for on eBay, Poshmark, or Thredup, or if there's anything to know about the brand. That's a great way to learn. When you get a mystery box, you're not just going to the thrift store buying the same old stuff you always buy. It's getting sent to you. You have to look it up, so you learn a lot this way. So here we go. I have to admit, when I look in and see like tulle and sequins, I get very excited. Like, I think this could be a lot of fun. So let's take a look at this first number. This is adorable. It's a mini skirt, very sequiny. This is by H&M, so not like an amazing brand or anything. It's a size medium, but wouldn't that look so cute for a fun event? And I've got to get this one out. Oh my God, can we just... You guys know I love the clothes. Can we just like, what? Oh my God, I'm like, yes. I wish I had some reason to wear something like this. I don't think I've ever worn anything like this. Maybe to like high school prom in the 90s. I don't have that many occasions to get this dressed up. Look at the back. It's all lace up. Oh my God, I love you. So this has a price tag on it for $340. The color's champagne, and the brand is Blush Prom by Alexia. No idea, but I will look it up. I hope this is a timeless style. Strapless with all this rhinestone sequins. I've got to take a picture with this one for my thumbnail. Let's see if I remember. I never do. So I don't know. I'm like madly in love with this, and I do have a mannequin. I wish I could try it on. This is a size, I don't know. I don't know. If you guys need a size 6, and here's the Blush Prom. No idea, but pretty excited to learn. This is a lot of $27 fun, is it not? This is your friendly reminder to please hit that subscribe button and turn on the little bell. The bell will let you know when a new video comes out or when I go live. Okay, now look at this number. Let me know in the comments, have you sold formal dresses and how have you done? Wow, this dress is by the brand Lazaro. It's a size 6. Here's what the tag looks like. I'll pop anything up if I learn anything about it. What? This has a lot of structure. It's a gown. Oh, it's a one shoulder. Look at how beautiful this is. One shoulder gown with all this ruffle. And I think this is what's called a mermaid style. It's like a sheath, so it's fitted. But then on the hemline, it kind of goes out again. So really fun. Really, really fun. I mean, look in this box, you guys. Just look. Look at this. Sequins, tulle, which is like this ballerina stuff, lace, like, yes. This is by Be Smart. I do not think this is anything spectacular. I think this might be a juniors brand, and it is a little tiny pink cap sleeve mini skater style lacy dress in a size 3, so you know it is juniors because juniors is odd sizing, 3, 7, 9. These are bigger sequins. This is by the brand Forever 21. So these are not like high-end brands or anything, you guys. This is just fun. Maybe it goes, it says this is the front. And then the back is open. That would look so good on, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. All right, we have something black and slinky. This one has a halter neck, so when it goes around the neck like this, it's halter. And then this is like a very sexy dress. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of like what? 20s or 30s with the chevron print. This is gorgeous. It has kind of a low back, and the brand on this one is, let me find it. There's a size medium and the brand is CBR. Don't know it, but we are going to learn. I love this one. That would be so fun to wear. It's got like a pencil skirt. More tulle. This is by Emerald Sunday in a size 3. So this, what are girls like juniors? Are they wear, I guess prom, junior prom, some kind of dance? All sequined and floral lace. And then layers of this mesh tulle. Really sweet. Okay, we've got some more sequins. This is by Kenzie. I've sold this brand before. It's an extra small, young women's kind of brand. I think it's sold at like Nordstrom Rack and places like that. This one's a long sleeve gray sequined fitted dress, probably like knee length. Oh, now look at this. A nude with some gold bronze sequins. This is so pretty. I need to go somewhere where I can get dressed up. This is by Shop 17. I'm hoping that with these types of dresses, brand might not matter as much, and these young women going to these things are maybe looking more for style. Oh, what a beauty. Look at that. It almost reminds me of like a professional ice skater costume. It's nude with these gorgeous sequins all the way down, probably really fitted. This is just pure fun for me. Okay, last but not least, my friends, we are ending with this gorgeous white dress by BCBG Generation. Now, this is a brand I haven't had a lot of luck selling online myself, but Thredup loves it. There are certain brands that Thredup just prices high and they sell. BCBG is one of those brands. And this is a white with a deep V neck in both the back and the front, empire waist, so it's fitted right under the chest, and a little skirt. That was a lot of fun. Hopefully we've all learned something together about selling some of these cocktail dresses. I'd love to hear from you in the comments about your experience with the formal market, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. I don't know. I'm honestly just going to wing it because I might have accidentally changed some setting on my camera. So there's like one microscopic hair. Yes, please. I'll probably itch my head. Itch, itch, itch. I do not have a wig. Someone asked me like, your hair can't be real. It looks like a wig. I'm like... It's not a wig, it's my hair. Oh, you gotta love YouTube and Instagram comments. Now what do I say?